was divided into three eras: the Hadean, the Archean, and the Proterozoic. The Hadean era occurred 4.6 to 4 billion years ago. The Archean era occurred 4 billion to 2.5 billion years ago. The Proterozoic era occurred 2.5 billion years ago. The Precambrian is the earliest of the geologic eras. Earth was more than 600 million years old when the first signs of life in the Precambrian era showed.
Hello everyone, I am here to talk to you about the Mesozoic era. It was when the dinosaurs were first introduced and the first of large aquatic reptiles were discovered. It contained about three periods of time, such as the Triassic period, Jurassic period, and the Cretaceous period. Many plants, especially cone-bearing seed flowers, became more abundant in the Mesozoic era. Many of these plants that flourished made herbivores more abundant, which allowed some of the biggest carnivores, such as the Carcharodontosaurus, Argentinosaurus, to feast more and grow even more abundant, which made the whole land be roaming with carnivores, especially large predators. Most aquatic reptiles were wiped out before the Mesozoic era, but it began the rise of marine reptiles and other marine creatures that came to life. Some of the predators of the deep were Mosasaurus, Elasmosaurus, Megalodon, Kronosaurus, etc. Some of the peaceful aquatic creatures were Ammonite, Ichthyosaurus, and Belemnite. The coral reefs and kelp forests of the Mesozoic era were really suited for the small carnivores and the crustaceivores living in them. It concluded all types of tropical and even anemone. Some marine predators that lived in the reef were the Kronosaurus, which fed on Ichthyosaurus, Ammonite, etc. The era sadly ended due to great extinctions, such as a giant asteroid that landed on Earth in Chicxulub in the Yucatan Peninsula. It ended about 65 million years ago and lasted about 180 million years. The Cenozoic era was the last era on Earth. It was also the last major division in time and began about 65 million years ago and was referred as the Age of Mammals. It began after the Mesozoic ended and had the first ancestor of modern humans, which was the Homo erectus, about 1.6 million years ago. Some mammals that were in the Cenozoic era were cave lions, saber-toothed cats, cave bears, giant deer, woolly rhinoceros, and woolly mammoths. In the Pliocene epoch, climate changes led to the evolution of many of our modern plants and animal species today, such as the Titanoboa, which evolved into the modern anaconda and the modern python today. We are currently in the Cenozoic era right now, and some mammals are still going through evolution as we speak. Even us.